Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to make a thick horizontal line in Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google Docs. Now to insert a line, first of all go to this insert. Over here you will find this drawing. Click on this and to this new. Over here you will find this interface. Now go to this line and click and drag your line. For straight line you can type shift on your keyboard and just drag. Now you can see this outline. To make it bold, click on this line weight and you can select as per your choice. I'll go with 12. Now you can see this is my thick vertical line. To insert in workspace, just click on this save and close. And you can see this is my thick horizontal line in Google Docs. And if you want to move this, click on this in front of text and you can move this any way you like. So in this way we can insert thick horizontal line in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.